Home Remedies presents. Here are the benefits of putting castor oil in belly button. I have done a couple of videos earlier on this topic. I hope you have watched it. If not, I will post the link in the description. Check it out. Scientifically, this method is known as Picotti method. According to traditional science, absorbing essential oils and scents through the belly button, which is said to be connected to a special Picotti gland in the body, can correct, heal, and balance nervous connections present in the body. In today's video, we will look into the benefits of applying castor oil in the belly button. Castor oil is popular for its miraculous therapeutic properties. The therapeutic massages with castor oil are said to do wonders for the body. Oiling your belly button can purify your blood, remove impurities and blemishes from the body. Let's find out how to use it and the potential benefits. Applying castor oil in the belly button. To reap castor oil's numerous benefits, apply it on your belly button daily. Pour 10 to 15 drops of castor oil into a small bowl. Now massage it into your belly button and around the lower abdomen as well with your fingertips. Leave this application overnight. Rinse the belly button properly next morning. I will be doing another video tomorrow on guiding how to clean your belly button properly. Please don't miss it. Now let's move ahead and see what happens when you pour castor oil in your belly button. Are you liking the video? If yes, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel to support it. Castor oil is known as a stimulant laxative. It helps reduce swelling in the intestine. It improves digestion. Regular application also helps in reducing knee pain. It also works for hair growth. Relieves abdominal pain and help to expel out trapped gas. Castor oil is a miracle product that you can easily use topically on every part of the body, including the belly button. If you liked the video, hit that like button to give it more value and share it on your social networks to let others benefit from it too. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.